So this is the second video on photosynthesis and cellular respiration, and this video is on photosynthesis. Now there are two main parts of photosynthesis. The first main part are the light reactions, which they require photons from the sun to work. That's why they're called light reactions. Now the second part is called the Calvin cycle, or the dark reactions, as some people may call it, because they do not need a photon from the sun to work. So the light reactions work like this. So a photon from the sun comes in and hits one of the chloroplasts inside a cell, inside a plant, and it excites electrons in those molecules, and they jump to a higher energy state up here. Now, as they lose their charge, they go down and jump from molecule to molecule until they go here, and then another photon from the sun comes in and it excites them again and brings them up here, and then they jump from molecule to molecule again until they're delivered into the NAD pH and the ATP. Now, why this is called photosystem 1 and this is called photosystem 2 is because this one was discovered first. So they obviously would call it photosystem 1. And then this one was discovered second, so they called it photosystem 2. Now the Calvin cycle works when 6CO2 comes in and 6 Rubusco come in, which is a 5-carbon chain with 2 pyruvates, and this is a 1-carbon chain, make a 6-carbon chain, and then 12 ATP and 12 NADPH come in, and they give off 12 ADP plus 12 phosphate groups and 12 NAP plus, which is basically this, just without that other electron. And then that makes 12 pGal, which looks like this. It's a 3-carbon chain with a pyruvate on the end, with a phosphate group on the end, excuse me. And if you notice, if you have 2 of those, you get glucose, which I'll try to spell glucose. And now you got a glucose molecule from that, which is what you need for cellular respiration. And then those 10 pGal come back and are recycled and become 6 Rubusco, which is, again, the 5-carbon chain with 2 phosphate groups on the end. And that's basically photosynthesis for you.